3,
Ay, in
2, 1.
north.
Anak run na. Anak run na.
Itang swatch IE.
Dito ang swatch IE. Come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. Face IE now, face IE now. Kamesi. Ready defenses ha. Ready defenses. Kamesi. We're gonna full run over, IE ah. Just keep walking, just keep walking.
Galas,
Spread.
Okay, na-purge ko.
Spread. Just keep stay spread. Come si SE, come SE. Full run over the brawlers southeast ha. Nakita niyo itong brawlers sa southeast natin. Full run over. Badal. Okay.
Yeah, AJ.
To the right side. Yo, spread. Heal up. Ready. Come back. Ready. Ang gonna engage siya. North of me. Come inside. Keep walking. Ready? Keep walking. Northwest in 3, 2, 1. Northwest head back. Def. Full def and hit it. Heals inside now. Keep healing inside of us. Spread better, boys. Spread towards my west. Huwag kayo dyan sa southeast. Spread towards my west. Some of you walk southeast more. Heal the backline. Heal my backline, please. Heal blue on the crown. Come to the crown. Def. Left from north. We're gonna engage southeast on the crown. Southeast in 3, 2, 1. Southeast on top of the crown, boys. On top of the crown. Hit it, boys. Hit it.
Gala.
Yeah, Gala already hit. Just keep walking SC. We need to stabilize. Keep walking SC. Sige lang. Just walk. Just kite for a bit. Focus the brawlers inside of us now. We're gonna turn north us Ready. Where's the button? Come northwest. Ready? I'm gonna wait. Keep coming NW. Ready? Northwest. On top of me. Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. On top. Hit it, boys. Kill the Gala. Come northwest. Chase the Gala. Keep chasing the Gala.
Nasa loob natin ah.
Come any. So yo, get ready for the southeast. Just kill the Gala inside of us. Nice kill. Then walk southwest. You see this Ursing? It's gonna hit. This Ursing is gonna hit. If he hits, it's hit.
Kakait lang yan.
Sige lang. Just spread. Ready? Southeast. We're looking northeast now. Northeast on the choke. Wait. East in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now on top of the front. Hit. Where's the reserve?
Pinagta nila dyan, gago.
Oy, party trick ko.
Kill everyone.
Ay, boys. Stop, boys.
Stop. Pagbigyan na para pumalagala. Stop. Para pagbigyan tayo ulit.